I'm going to do a little overview of the Vortex S6 air compressor I just got, primarily for my RV. It comes packaged very well in a nice case, and also it's really well presented. It's very small, compact. The air hose you can see up there wraps around that silver area, and this back part uh, it has, we'll be talking about that a little bit later, but anyway, it's very, very compact. The air hose wraps around that silver area for storage. The very back of the unit, you can see up there, it comes with about 3 different accessories for different applications that you might need, airing up say a ball or a football or something. This is a hose for airing up an air mattress. So if you're camping, you need to air up an air mattress. This could save you a lot of huffing and puffing to try to get it blown up. This is the charging area of the unit. It uses a USB-C plug in order to charge. It comes with a charging block and also an ample amount of cable, USB cable, to charge the unit. As you're charging, you will see on the very front of the unit, at the bottom of that round circle screen, a battery looking icon, and it'll show you how it's charging, and then it'll show you when it's full. It also has a light. It has the start button there. When you press that, that's essentially the on button, and the mode button. That mode button you would press and turn the dial, middle dial, in order to select what mode you want to use, like for instance air mattress and area. This gives you an idea of just how small this unit is up against an RV tire. And it's amazing how strong this pump is in order to pump up a tire. It comes with this quick disconnect adapter that you would thread onto the end of the tube down there, that black tube. And I really like using that quick connect, quick disconnect on my tires. It's just so much easier to put it on there and snap it down, and then you get ready to pump. So it's really, really nice and works very well. Here you see me applying the connector to that tire valve stem, quick and easy. And as soon as you, with it on, as soon as you click it onto a valve stem, it will give you a readout. When you hit start, it will give you a readout of how much tire pressure is in that tire. That's that large number underneath the smaller numbers. There you see the battery indicator also, and you see up in the upper right hand corner of that screen an RV or a truck, and that tells me I'm in the mode for pumping up a truck tire. And you twist the knob in order to select how much PSI you would like to put in to that particular tire. And I mean, I don't know how far up it would go, but I mean, it goes up way over 100. But once you select it and get it all selected in, I went to a different tire, and I was trying to get 95 PSI in the tire, and as you'll see here in just a minute, it had 94.2 in that tire. So essentially I connected it to the tire, and then you press that start button up there, and as you can see, that bottom number is beginning to show that the air pressure is going into the tire. Once it stops, it may stop a little bit since it's a digital intense gauge. It showed that it was 95.8. When I actually took it off and put a tire gauge on it, a tire minder gauge on it, it read right at what I was trying to get, which was 95.5. And there you can see that it finally settled down to 95.5. So it may end up going a little bit more, but then it'll settle back down to whatever number you put in. Here shows the light that comes with it. It's got two different levels of brightness. It has a blinking, and then it has a strobe feature on the light. Very bright, very, very bright light. So if you need to use a bright light for something, you got it. This is the hose for the air mattress. I mean, this keeps you from huffing and puffing trying to blow up an air mattress at a campsite. And it stows away very well. I'm very impressed with this unit. I was looking for something that was portable and that was easy to use. This just simply shows that I do not have that connected to any tire. That's why all those zeros are there. So in summary, this thing will wire up RV tires, auto tires, bike tires, various balls, and air mattresses. So anyway, just wanted to review this. If you like this, like it, visit my website, RV Norm Burgess. Everybody have a blessed day.